If you're a teenager looking for ways to earn some cash, today you're in the right spot. I'm sharing 5 awesome ways that you can make money even if you're just starting out. No, you don't have to be a business genius or have a ton of experience. Trust me, I've got it covered. So let's dive in. First up, freelancing online. If you've got skills like writing, designing, coding, you can use that right now. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer are perfect for teenagers to offer their services to find clients who are willing to pay. The beauty of freelancing is that it's flexible. You choose your hours and you set your own prices. Let's say you're really good at writing. You could offer a blog post, social media captions, or even product descriptions. If designs more of your thing, create logos or even custom illustrations for small businesses looking to stand out. Don't worry if you don't have tons of experience. Everyone starts somewhere. And if you set your rates, beginners usually start low, around $5 to $10 an hour. But with more reviews and experience, you can charge a lot more. Plus, it's a great skill for your resume, whether you keep freelancing or apply for jobs in the future. Have you ever freelanced before? Let me know in the comments. Number 2, next let's talk about tutoring or teaching. If you're already excellent or excelling in a subject, whether it's algebra, Spanish, or even history, why not help someone else out and get paid for it? You can tutor younger students in person or even online. There's tons of platforms like Wisant or Superproof, or even local Facebook groups where you can advertise your tutoring services. And even tutoring doesn't just have to be academic. If you know how to play an instrument, maybe you can even offer music lessons to beginners. Guys, you can do this. Now, depending on the subject, you can make anywhere from $15 to $50 an hour. Let's say you're studying or tutoring a kid for an hour after school twice a week. Do the math. And that's a solid income. Plus, you're not just earning cash, you're building skills that can help you in college and beyond. If you can teach any subject, what would it be? Drop it in the comments. Third, let's talk something about you already know about. Guys, you know about babysitting. It's been a classic for years, and it's still one of the reliable ways you can make money as a teen. Plus, if you just stick to it, kids don't only need sitting, pets need sitting too. So whether it's watching kids for a few hours while parents are out, or taking care of pets, or while they're on vacation, you can find gigs in your neighborhood or through apps like care.com or Rover. If you're comfortable with dogs, you can walk them, feed them, or just hang out with them for while their owners are at work. Now, if you're babysitting, you can charge anywhere from $10 to $20 an hour, depending on your location, how many kids you're watching, and any extra responsibilities. Dog walking or pet sitting usually pays about the same, but you can go up if you're taking care of multiple pets or doing overnights. And trust me, it's a great way to learn responsibility. You're managing other kids or the other people's kids or pets. And the trust parents put in you can be great and also a confidence booster. Have any funny babysitting pet stories? Share them down in the comments. Number 4. Now, if you're artsy or crafty, selling homemade products might be the fit for you. Whether it's jewelry, candles, custom t-shirts, or artwork, platforms like Etsy or Redbubble is what I meant to say, are great places to sell. With Etsy, you can set up your own online store and start selling your creations to a global market. If you're into graphic designs, you can even upload custom designs and sell their products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases through websites like Redbubble or Teespring. I even have my own Teespring. The coolest part about selling handmade items is that you're building a brand. You can start by making products for friends or family. If you stay consistent, you can start making some real money. A handmade bracelet could sell for $15 to $30, while a custom designed t-shirt might go for $25 or more, guys. You gotta understand that. The best part, you don't have to be perfect. People love unique personal items. And if you be more creative, you can be better. All right, let's wrap things up with an easy one. Online surveys. Guys, this is so easy. If you're looking to make some quick extra money, surveys are the way to go. Websites like Swangbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars will pay you for your opinions. It's an easy way to make money for teens right from their home, especially if you're just trying to earn a few bucks on your downtime and just run up the bag. Survey sites usually ask you to complete questionnaires about products, services, or even ads. You get points which you can redeem for cash or gift cards. Product testing is similar. You can test out new apps. The pay is kind of small. It's about $1 to $5 a survey. But if you do a few a day, it all adds up. Plus, it's low effort. You can do this on your phone while watching Netflix. It's a perfect side hustle. Have you ever tried any survey sites, apps before? Drop a comment and let me know and tell me how it went. Like I said, guys, these are 5 solid ways you can start making money right now as a teenager. Whether you're freelancing online, tutoring, babysitting, selling your creations, answering surveys, there's no shortage of opportunities out here. It's all about finding what fits your schedule and your own skills. Guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and leave a comment telling me which method you're going to go for. I can't wait to hear from you. See you next time. Peace.